So I just walked into a gated community. This guy just let me in, he didn't care. Walked into this gated community, the guy just let me in. Just elbowed my way between the gate. I just walked into this gated community, elbowed my way into the gate. I mean, for Guyana, this is pretty upscale. See behind me, look at these houses. And here's the embassies. I would think the beach is this way. A lot of foliage. So here is the start of the rainforest in Guyana. This is heading south. It goes into the interior for many miles. So you ask, how safe is Guyana? Well, you have it's a interesting setup because you have the Amazon, which is in the interior. So as far as crime, that's probably null and void. The islands, the small islands, very little. I found it, considering it has a level 3 travel warning, I found it to be safer than most places. I haven't had one issue. In fact, this Caribbean culture is 100 times more polite with etiquette than a lot of places. People are wonderful here. I haven't seen anything, but I know Georgetown can get bad at night and they rob tourists, but that's anywhere. So yes, it's safe. Here is the Mexican embassy in Guyana. Here's an upscale community in Guyana. And this is an industrial type of area. Must be an upscale apartment. Here, Guyana is known for being extremely multicultural. And forgive me, this is a mosque I'm coming up on.